Going for the first kiss usually feels like the man's job and is a crucial moment in a date. And chances are you've screwed it up before. I know I have, and it sucks. And it can make you feel really deflated. But if you avoid these common mistakes, then you'll be leagues ahead of most guys who fumble through this important moment. My name's Matt Artisan from The Attractive Man, and these are 5 things never to do before you kiss her. Number 5, going for it on a low note instead of a high note. If you guys are talking about the weather, or she's talking about her grandma's birthday last Saturday, or some intense, painful situation that she had to overcome, it's probably not the best time to go for a kiss.
Yeah, I just lost my job and I'm trying to find another one, so...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's much better to do it on a high note in the interaction when you guys are having fun, laughing, being playful, or during a moment where you create a lot of tension. Okay, can't really do it to the camera, but you get the point. You gotta create a little bit of a moment. I recommend either a slightly playful moment or a moment with a lot of sexual tension where she's gonna want to break the tension by kissing you. And I created an entire video on how to create that type of tension and how to make her want to kiss you. And I'll put a link to that video down in the description, so make sure to check that out. Number 4 is creating that tension or creating that playful moment where it's the perfect opportunity to go for the kiss and missing out, losing that opportunity. And man, I've done that so many times in the distant past. Before I started working on this part of my life and getting mentors, we would be talking about kissing and it'd be the perfect opportunity to go for a kiss. Or we'd be watching a movie where they're kissing, or there'd just be a lot of tension where she'd be giving me really strong eye contact and I'd be giving it back, and then I break the tension by changing the subject when it would have been much better to kiss her. You know, you have really nice lips.
Thank you.
Anyways, you want to grab a drink?
Yeah.
So capitalize on those moments when it feels like an ideal moment to kiss her. Don't miss out, because she'll probably feel pretty bummed out, and she's hoping that you're going to be the one that will make the move, not her. Number 3 is worrying that you need some special line or like the perfect situation to kiss her. You don't need any magic phrase to go for a kiss. You don't need the most perfect moment. Now, I know that kind of sounds counterintuitive based on what I just said, but hear me out. You do need to do it at the right time. If she's talking about how her family member passed away recently, that's not the right time to go for a kiss. But if you're just walking, for example, from one venue to another venue, and maybe there's a lull in the conversation, you're not talking about anything, but you're walking arm in arm, you could literally just stop at any moment and just say, wait, hold on, I want to do something, and go for a kiss. You can create that moment. You don't need the perfect phrase to say. You can literally just tell her that you want to kiss her. Which brings me to number 2, which is asking, can I kiss you? Now, if you ask it in the right tonality, it's not that bad. If you say, you know, you're pretty cute, I'm actually starting to like you, can I kiss you? I still don't like it, honestly. But when most guys ask for it, can I kiss you?
No.
Which shows a lack of confidence, that you don't believe that she even would like a guy like you. Never do that. Always, if you're going to ask a question like that, always say it at least in a confident manner, so it doesn't sound so weak and pathetic like that. But better than saying, can I kiss you, is just tell her, I want to kiss you right now. You know, I kind of want to kiss you right now. It'll have the same effect in the sense that she'll tell you if it's okay to kiss her or not. She'll either say, okay, cool, or she won't, and she'll go, oh, no, not right now, this isn't the right place. Or, oh, no, I don't think of you that way, which now at least you know where you stand. Now, if saying, I want to kiss you right now seems too bold, I get it, man. Sometimes, you know, you get a little nervous on the date. I've definitely been there where I want to go for the kiss, but I'm starting to freak out inside. Say, would you like to kiss me right now? In a confident tonality like I just did, and she'll either say, yeah, sure, and go for the kiss, or she'll say, well, I don't know. Then say, well, let's find out. And lean in, and find out. Or she'll say no. Again, you kind of know where you stand, at least in that moment. But instead of, seeming all weird and awkward, you just say, okay, well, I didn't say you could. It just looked like you had something on your mind, which helps you save face. Or she might say, not right now, and then just say, I understand, and go for a kiss later. And number one is not going for it at all. Now, sometimes, you're on a 20-minute coffee date. I get it. Going for a kiss may not be appropriate. But if you're on a 2 or 3 hour long date with her, or it's a second or third date with her, and you still haven't kissed her, then chances are you're actually gonna lose her because it just feels too platonic. Most likely, she wants to kiss you and she's just waiting for you to make the move, and she's gonna lose interest in you if you don't do it, because it makes you seem like a weak man, like you're afraid to go for what you want. In this case, it's her. Now, if you go for the kiss, you lean in and she turns away, no big deal. Do not be affected by it. It's nothing. It's actually good. You showed your interest and your, desire for her, and maybe she wants to play hard to get, or maybe she's just not ready in that moment. Just don't freak out. Make her feel comfortable. Just say, okay, that's cool. I'll get you later. And don't do what most guys do and say, oh, what's wrong? I thought you liked me, or oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. It's no big deal. In fact, nothing is a big deal. Anytime she tells you no, or she doesn't want to do something with you, or turns away from the kiss, or doesn't feel like sleeping with you, or whatever, it's not a big deal because you're a cool, confident guy and you're not affected by little things like that. And when she sees that you're a cool, calm guy who's not affected, that will actually make her more attracted to you. So the point is, don't be afraid to kiss a girl because you're not 100% sure yet if she's going to reciprocate and kiss you back, or if she's going to turn her cheek. If you're a few hours into the date, or you're on a second or third date, then she likes you. You need to kiss her, or you very well might lose her. And I tell you this from experience, because before I started working on this part of my life and getting mentors and getting a lot more dates, I wouldn't make the move. I almost never would kiss a girl on a first date or even a second date, and they would lose interest. And I realized I was shooting myself in the foot because I wanted to make the move. I wanted to kiss her. I was just too afraid to do so, and so I missed out on many opportunities. And I don't want the same for you. And to help you escalate the right way so that you don't miss these opportunities and, fall into the friend zone, I created a free escalation cheat sheet. I'll put a link to it down in the description, as well as the end of this video, that will help you turn things into a more romantic vibe and escalate in a way that women find very comfortable as well as irresistible. So check that out, man, because it's free. Speaking of free resources, if you got questions, I got answers. Follow me on Instagram. Let's chat. I want to help you out. And if you haven't applied for a free breakthrough session, then why the hell not? Let's hop on the phone and let's figure out your situation and get you to the next level of your dating life. There's a link to the free breakthrough session down in the description, as well as our workshop schedule. So check those out. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click that bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. Like this video. If you liked it, then hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And remember to check out the video on 5 ways to make a girl want to kiss you, so you know exactly how to make the move in a way that's smooth and she'll most likely reciprocate. And leave me a comment down below letting me know other ways you might have messed up going for the kiss so that other guys just like you can avoid the same mistake. My name is Matt Artisan from The Attractive Man, and I'll see you in the next video.